this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your T-Scan Novus handle. So you basically have three parts. You have the T-Scan Novus handle, you have support, and you have a sensor. Keep in mind that you have large supports and small supports, and large sensors and small sensors. So make sure you use the right sensor with the right support. It's pretty simple to set up. So you can see on the side here, you have a little slot right here that you can place the support in. So this should just snap right in, like so. And now for the sensor, on the back here is a little slider that closes and slider that opens. So when you have it up, that holds the sensor in place. When you have it down, allows you to put a sensor in or take a sensor out. So let's put a sensor in. And on the sensor itself, on the top side, it'll actually say up, so you know which way to put it. So I'm just gonna slide the sensor in. Just like this. You wanna make sure you slide it all the way down. Sometimes it'll get a little bit stuck, but no, make sure you slide it all the way down. Then once you have it all the way down, you can then close it, and you can see that holds the sensor in place. And you'll know if the sensor's all the way down because on the front of the handle, you should see two green lights. So that's how simple to set it up. If you have any questions, let us know.